This is
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sneak Peek with Josh, and we're back again. And man, thank you guys once again for just keep tuning in. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Also, let's stir up conversations more and stay in tune, because this one is a classic. We are back, and as I said, it is a classic. This one is highly slept on. This is a sneaker that I've had when I was younger in a different tone. This is something a lot of people overlook in many ways, but we'll just get straight into it. Oh man, as you guys see, we do have that nice classic Nike box. I did get this pair, received it. Shout out to a good friend who definitely caught it on StockX, being that it was slept on but highly anticipated as well. We will lose this box and we will jump into the fire details, so watch this. We have the Nike Air Max 2 Charles Barkley in that nice black tone, also with the white leather, followed by that varsity classic purple, as you guys can see. We will have a lot of highlights always shown above and many details on this sneaker. I felt like it took me back. It took me back to a nice classic pair I had, which was red and black. They were basically all red with the leather. All black with the leather, and where this white area is, it was red. They started making a whole lot of different colorways. I kind of passed on. Definitely want to put a calm stamp on this one. The one you would want to have in your collection. It's definitely comfortable. All the way from this air bubble on the heel, leading down to this nice black. It has a nice little shine to it, nice little shimmer, but it also is very clean. It has little shark teeth. I call them little shark teeth. Leave comments below. Let me know what you guys call those. But it is a solid pair. As you guys look on this toe area, on the toe box, we have that nice black nubuck. It goes up in this little T pattern, as you guys see. From my angle, it is a T shape. From your angle, pretty much has a tuxedo look as well. But leading up the tongue, we have this nice purple mesh. It's pretty clean, very, very nice pair. And we do have some very clean eyelids going up the side. They're very rubber-like, very, very tough. But I don't know, leave a comment on this one. It's very, very hard to highlight this sneaker, but it's very clean in a major way. As you guys look on the back, we have a classic Nike Air. As you guys see, can never go wrong. This is a silhouette that is from '94, which Charles Barkley basically highlighted. He definitely killed the game in certain ways. He did suck at one point. He was nice at one point. Y'all leave y'all comments and let's stir up a conversation on that aspect. As you guys see on the back, above this nice Nike Air, you see we have a nice cool pull tab. You know, helps your shoes, as we always say, keep you from wiggling and shaking around. And as the end liner goes, we have a nice purple, nice varsity tone. It's very hidden, very clean, but it is a sock liner in there, which makes it more secure and brings more comfort to your feet. And it's just a solid pair. I did forget to highlight what on the tongue. We have this nice little panel above that says Max. That nice 94 look is pretty clean, as you guys see, and around it, it is surrounded by black leather. That black leather is also crispy and clean. Y'all leave comments and let me know what you think. There are other highlights on this sneaker that are inside these little bubbles here, these little holes, as you guys see on the side. It's like a metallic mesh, but it also brings you down to that nice calm classic white Nike Air. But you guys leave a comment. We're gonna keep this one nice, short, and simple, because this is a fire pair. This is slept on. It is one that you would want to have in a stash. It is pretty clean overall. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and definitely stay tuned to this on foot. And we'll see you guys later. Oh, peace.